Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to stop videos from autoplay on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Tap on the menu in the top right corner and now scroll down and expand settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down a bit and under preference, tap on media. In the autoplay section, check the box next to never autoplay videos to stop videos from automatically playing. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions regarding the issue, feel free to comments below.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.